Internet, Fast Eddie here again. So we're servicing an emergency door closer replacement. And today, my trusty sidekick, Rob.
How you doing?
So much to my surprise, Norton door closers currently are retailing for $339. Wow, they went up. So what we're going to do is charge a $85 trip charge plus $45 to install and $339 for the product. Wow. Well, let's get it installed. So we're at the malt shop down here on West 50th Street. Rebecca owns the place. She owns Tinto Tacos also. This is the old door closer. We got to take it off, recycle it, of course. And this is the new door closer from Norton, $339. I still can't believe it. So as you can see, it's just a mirror replacement we did today. I don't like where they mounted it originally, but yeah, done deal. Okay, we're out of here. So that went really well. It's not what I would have preferred. Replaced it. I did not do a fresh install. I would have preferred to do a drop-down plate because I know the old door closer wasn't mounted properly. But it worked for 20 years that way. If I thought the new door closer was going to fail because of the installation, I would have priced them out for a fresh install and not a replacement and sold them a drop plate. So yeah, that went pretty good. Rob, what'd you think?
Awesome.
So if Rob says awesome, then it must be awesome. So today is what? Friday the 5th of May, right?
Right.
Today is Friday the 5th of May. We have a lot on our plate. Yeah, off to the next job. Talk to you guys soon.